Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Vibing with Paris. It's your girl Paris. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you for staying. So in today's video, I will be doing a braided ponytail with crisscross boxes at the top. So yeah, and if you're new here, please don't be shy. Like, comment, subscribe. I welcome everybody. So let's get into the video.
Dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. Remember the night in Miami. First time you put your arms around me.
So at this section, my hair in two, starting off ear to ear, top and bottom half. And with the top half, I'm going to put 4 sections. And in those 4 sections, there's going to be 2 rows. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Cause I know in the end, dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
decide what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
decide what I want.
get some me time. I don't know.
You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. You know how I feel. Still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
We'll repeat this process across my head and then come back. Okay? Peace out. I love you. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you want to know?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I can.
So I am using 2 bundles of the model 10 times the braiding hair glance formation with the natural touch in the color 2, and it is 40 inches.
Speak to my baby. You can't seem to tell me what you need from me. Make you wanna fight late. So naive to believe you've been in me first. My emotions been straight up too long. Lies get bogus, lies to focus. I know, stone cold. But you may see reasons change with unfair warning. How you may see things change without saying something. All these reasons I give you running. Only me out in the cold without my mountain. All you got me falling just to bring up through the summer. Wasn't really show. Give me the love. I'm supposed to know what you thought it was. That's when your life.
So I am trying to tuck my hair in so that it can blend. My hair is short, of course, because I did cut it, and I didn't straighten this part just to make it blend in way better. But I'm trying to tuck it though. I'm not gonna have the hairstyle in long. Well, at least I'm not gonna have the braided ponytail in long, but I am gonna try and tuck the hair so that it's not visible to anyone else.
Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, ladder.
And here I am trying to feed in some hair to make it blend in better with it, so it's not fat at the top but then skinny at the bottom or mid the braid. So I'm feeding in at least 4 or 5 pieces of hair as I go along the braid.
Pop it, sipping acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, blacker than acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep me get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speeding the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun, not a regular about that strong, fucking whole bottle we get remind, she want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on her, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, surf, pop up, hurt, pop up, smurf, a lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on her, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wait.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting.
I think the next time that I do try to do a braided ponytail, I will smooth or straighten out my ponytail piece first, my hair, before doing it, feeding in braids. So that is easier and it looks sleek and neat.
So live, tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all glass.
As always, guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you like the content that you're seeing, like, subscribe, share, and as always, thanks for watching.
baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we